We stand at the cusp of a new era, one where artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming our lives. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI promises a future brimming with possibilities. Yet this technological leap comes with a shadow, a set of complex ethical dilemmas that we must confront head-on. As we relinquish more and more control to algorithms, we must grapple with fundamental questions about privacy, decision-making, and the very essence of human autonomy. This essay delves into the ethical implications of AI, focusing on its impact on privacy and decision-making. We will explore the transformative potential of AI, acknowledging both its promise and its perils. Our journey will take us through real-world scenarios and theoretical considerations, shedding light on the intricate interplay between AI and human values. Ultimately, we aim to spark a conversation about the collective responsibility we bear in shaping an ethical framework for AI, ensuring that this powerful technology serves humanity's best interests. Artificial intelligence is poised to revolutionize countless industries, from healthcare to finance to transportation. It holds the potential to cure diseases, optimize resource allocation, and enhance our daily lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. AI-powered systems can analyze vast data sets, identify patterns invisible to the human eye, and make predictions with remarkable accuracy. This transformative power has the potential to unlock unprecedented progress and address some of the world's most pressing challenges. However, this same power also presents significant risks. AI's ability to process information and make decisions autonomously raises concerns about accountability, transparency, and the potential for unintended consequences. When algorithms determine who gets a loan, who receives medical treatment, or even who is deemed a security threat, we must ensure that these decisions are fair, unbiased, and aligned with our ethical values. Moreover, the increasing reliance on AI systems can lead to a decline in human skills and judgment. As we delegate more tasks to machines, we risk losing our ability to think critically, solve problems creatively, and engage in meaningful human interaction. The erosion of these essential skills could have profound implications for our individual and collective well-being. The challenge before us is to harness the transformative power of AI while mitigating its potential risks. We must develop ethical frameworks, technical safeguards, and robust regulatory mechanisms to ensure that AI serves humanity's best interests. This requires a multifaceted approach, involving collaboration among policymakers, industry leaders, researchers, and the public. AI's insatiable appetite for data fuels its remarkable capabilities. To learn, adapt, and improve, AI systems require massive datasets, often containing sensitive personal information. This dependence on data raises profound privacy concerns, challenging our understanding of data ownership, control, and usage. In an era where our digital footprints are constantly expanding, the potential for misuse, manipulation, and unauthorized access to our personal information is a growing concern. The rise of facial recognition technology, predictive policing algorithms, and personalized advertising platforms exemplifies the intricate interplay between AI and privacy. While these technologies offer potential benefits, they also raise questions about surveillance, profiling, and the erosion of anonymity. The ability to track individuals' movements, predict their behavior, and target them with tailored messages has significant implications for personal autonomy and freedom of expression. Moreover, the opaque nature of many AI systems makes it difficult to understand how personal data is being used. The complex algorithms that drive these systems often operate as black boxes, making it challenging to discern the rationale behind their decisions. This lack of transparency can exacerbate privacy concerns, as individuals have limited insight into how their data is being processed and utilized. Protecting privacy in the age of AI requires a multi-pronged approach. We need robust data protection regulations, ethical guidelines for data usage, and technical safeguards to prevent unauthorized access and misuse. Individuals must be empowered to control their own data, with clear mechanisms for consent, transparency, and redress. Moreover, we need to foster a societal dialogue about the trade-offs between privacy and the benefits of AI, ensuring that our pursuit of technological advancement does not come at the expense of fundamental human rights. Section 4. The algorithm's verdict deciphering AI's decision-making. AI's ability to make decisions autonomously is one of its most defining features. From medical diagnoses to loan approvals to criminal justice, algorithms are increasingly being used to make judgments that have a profound impact on people's lives. While AI-powered decision-making can bring greater efficiency, objectivity, and accuracy, it also raises concerns about fairness, accountability, and the potential for bias. The opacity of many AI systems makes it difficult to understand how decisions are being made. The complex algorithms that drive these systems often operate as black boxes, making it challenging to discern the rationale behind their outputs. This lack of transparency can undermine trust in AI systems, especially when decisions have significant consequences for individuals or society as a whole. Furthermore, AI systems are susceptible to biases inherent in the data they are trained on. If the training data reflects existing societal biases, the resulting AI system may perpetuate and even amplify these biases. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, disproportionately impacting marginalized or underrepresented groups. Ensuring fairness and accountability in AI decision-making requires a multifaceted approach. We need to develop transparent and explainable AI systems, allowing humans to understand the reasoning behind their decisions. We must also address bias in training data, ensuring that AI systems are trained on diverse and representative datasets. Moreover, we need to establish mechanisms for auditing and evaluating AI systems, ensuring that they meet ethical standards and do not perpetuate harmful biases. Section 5. Bias in the machine, confronting discrimination in AI systems. Despite the promise of objectivity, AI systems are susceptible to bias. These systems learn from the data they are fed. If the data reflects existing societal biases, the AI will inherit and potentially amplify these prejudices. This can lead to discriminatory outcomes, disproportionately impacting marginalized communities. For instance, an AI system used for recruitment might perpetuate gender bias if trained on data that predominantly features male executives. Bias can creep into AI systems in various ways. It can stem from the data itself, the design of the algorithms, or even the unconscious biases of the developers. Recognizing and mitigating bias is crucial for building fair and equitable AI systems. We must be vigilant in identifying and addressing potential sources of bias throughout the AI lifecycle, from data collection to algorithm design to system deployment. Addressing bias requires a multi-pronged approach. We need diverse teams of developers who can identify and mitigate potential biases. Data sets used for training AI should be carefully curated to ensure they are representative and inclusive. Regular audits and assessments of AI systems can help detect and correct biased outcomes. Furthermore, establishing clear ethical guidelines and standards for AI development can help minimize the risk of bias. Section 6. The Global Quest for Ethical AI, UNESCO's Guiding Principles. Recognizing the profound implications of AI, the international community is actively engaged in developing ethical frameworks for its development and deployment. UNESCO, the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, has taken a leading role in this effort. In 2021, UNESCO adopted the Recommendation on the Ethics of Artificial Intelligence, a global standard-setting instrument that provides a comprehensive framework for ethical AI. UNESCO's recommendation outlines key principles for ethical AI, including respect for human dignity and human rights, inclusiveness and equity, environmental and societal well-being, accountability and transparency, and safety and security. This framework emphasizes the need for human oversight of AI systems, the importance of data privacy and protection, and the imperative to prevent the misuse of AI for malicious purposes. The recommendation also calls for international cooperation and collaboration to address the ethical challenges posed by AI. It encourages the sharing of best practices, the development of common standards, and the establishment of mechanisms for monitoring and evaluation. By fostering a global dialogue and promoting ethical principles, UNESCO aims to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. Section 7. Conclusion: a collective responsibility. The dawn of the AI age presents us with a profound opportunity and a weighty responsibility. AI has the potential to revolutionize our world, but only if we guide its development with wisdom and foresight. Ensuring ethical AI is not merely a technical challenge, but a societal imperative. It requires a collective effort involving policymakers, researchers, industry leaders and citizens alike. We must be mindful of the potential pitfalls while harnessing the power of AI for good. This means addressing issues of privacy, bias, and accountability head-on. It also means fostering a public discourse that engages all members of society in shaping the future of AI. The choices we make today will determine the trajectory of AI's impact on our world. Let us choose to prioritize human values, ethical considerations, and the well-being of all in our pursuit of technological advancement. The future of AI is in our hands. Let us shape it wisely and responsibly.